two friends in motion. Rahul and Aman are walking through the busy streets of their city while the morning sun is rising slowly. Rahul is adjusting his backpack, and Aman is sipping hot tea from a roadside stall. They are talking continuously, laughing freely, and observing everything around them. Cars are honking, vendors are shouting, and people are rushing, but these two friends are enjoying the moment. Rahul is saying, "Life is moving so fast," and Aman is nodding while listening carefully. Aman is replying that everyone is chasing something, and Rahul is agreeing with a thoughtful smile. They are crossing the road while holding a deep conversation about dreams, fears, and plans. The city is waking up, and they are feeling connected to its rhythm. They are entering a small park, where children are playing, parents are chatting, and joggers are running. Rahul is pointing at the trees and saying, "How peaceful this place is feeling." Aman is breathing deeply and is saying that fresh air is calming his mind. They are sitting on a bench, and silence is surrounding them gently. Rahul is checking his phone while Aman is watching birds flying over the trees. Messages are popping up, but Rahul is ignoring them. He is telling Aman that he is trying to live in the present moment. Aman is smiling and is appreciating this mindset. They are sharing stories from college days, and memories are flowing naturally. Aman is talking about his new job, and Rahul is listening with full attention. Aman is explaining how he is learning new skills and is meeting new people every day. Rahul is encouraging him and is saying that growth is happening when challenges are appearing. They are motivating each other without realizing it. They are standing up and are walking again. Street musicians are playing soft music nearby, and people are stopping to listen. Rahul is tapping his foot to the rhythm, and Aman is clapping softly. The music is creating a warm atmosphere, and both friends are feeling relaxed. As they are walking, rain is starting to fall lightly. Rahul is opening his umbrella, and Aman is laughing while getting slightly wet. They are running towards a tea shop, and their laughter is echoing on the street. The rain is washing the dust away, and the city is looking fresh. Inside the tea shop, people are chatting, cups are clinking, and steam is rising. Rahul is ordering tea, and Aman is choosing snacks. They are sitting near the window and are watching raindrops sliding down the glass. Aman is saying that rainy days are bringing nostalgia. Rahul is agreeing and is remembering childhood evenings. They are discussing future plans while sipping tea. Rahul is planning to start a small business, and Aman is thinking about traveling abroad. They are sharing fears honestly, and trust is growing between them. The rain is continuing, and time is slowing down. After some time, the rain is stopping. They are stepping outside, and the air is smelling fresh. People are opening shops again, and traffic is moving smoothly. Rahul is stretching his arms, and Aman is checking the time. They are realizing that the day is moving forward. They are walking towards the riverbank where water is flowing calmly. Rahul is throwing small stones into the water, and Aman is watching ripples forming. They are talking about balance in life and are understanding each other deeply. Silence is speaking louder than words. Aman is expressing gratitude for friendship, and Rahul is feeling emotional. He is saying that support is giving strength. They are promising to stay connected despite busy schedules. The sun is appearing again, and light is reflecting on the water. As evening is approaching, they are returning home slowly. Street lights are turning on, and shops are glowing warmly. Rahul and Aman are parting ways, but their bond is becoming stronger. They are waving goodbye, smiling sincerely, and carrying memories of a simple yet meaningful day. Life is continuing, challenges are coming, and dreams are changing, but Rahul and Aman are walking forward together in spirit. Friendship is growing, moments are happening, and the present is shaping their future one step at a time.